Afternoon, people. How are you? It's a Monday afternoon. I've come out today because we went bowling for my son's birthday on a Saturday night. A few too many bevies, so I didn't feel like coming out on the Sunday. So that's what we're doing today. We're coming out today. I left the food here because I thought it was coming out the day after. I've left it in a container. So basically I'm going to check the food's still alright. It should be. It's in a cool bag. It was frozen when I got here and it's been in a really cold container, so we should be fine with that. It's going to forecast for rain tonight and I think a bit of wind. No deadfalls about around here. No, not where I am anyway. So we're going to get the tarp set up before the rain gets in. Brought the foxx1 with me. That's going to go at the back of the tarp. The tarp's just there to give me cover for cooking outside. We've got, if it's not gone off, we've got steaks, we've got 3-bird roast and kippers for the morning. So without further ado, I'm going to get this tarp set up. Not going to film it, I'll show you when I've finished. It's a bit boring watching tarp setups. As I found out editing the last film, it went on for a bit too long. So we'll crack on with that. Another quick one. When I was here last time, I used the egg whites for the binding the salt together, and I left an egg down here in this wooden tree stump. Obviously it's wooden, and I left the yolk in it, and it's all still there. So I don't know whether the animals just didn't see it, but normally they sniff them out. So what I'm going to do later on, there's the other woods that I normally use over there. I'm going to go over there, we'll put some food out, and I've brought the trail camera with us. Just want to see what sort of wildlife's around here. I know there's a kite, bird of prey, and I saw a kestrel the other day. So there must be, there must be mice and things like that about. So yeah, we'll get the trail camera set up a bit later on, and we'll see if we can get something on the trail cam. This is all set up. I'm liking this actually. I'm going to have my fire about where you are now. Wind's supposed to be coming south-southeast, so this way. So hopefully we don't get smoke in our eyes. foxx1's going over here behind me, and coming up here, got to clear a bit of ground up. There's a few thorny bits here, blackberry vines, so I've got my fire gloves out just to pull all of them out. Sun's come out. It rained slightly on the way up here, but as soon as I get here, yeah, the sun's come out. I think the bad weather's going to be around midnight. It's supposed to be quite heavy rain. This seam line, this the other week, but it's brilliant tarp. This could do with one a little bit bigger though, I think. Them little clips I made for the tarp just to clip on, and then 3D printed gadgets that I've got at the other end makes it so easy to set up a tarp. No tangling, nothing. Just you can drop the tarp, unclip them, wind them up, straight in the bag, no problems. Brilliant bits of kit then. Well, I can't put a link because my son made them on the 3D printer. If anyone's interested in any of them, just drop me a line. Sure we can get some sorted. Got the Leave No Trace t-shirt on, which is what we always practice. Yeah, I think the next thing, get all these up, set up my little table so I can put stuff on it. The food seems alright, doesn't look like any of it's gone off, so we should be cooking well tonight. Cooking well in the woods. I can hear the magpie's not very happy with me being here. Oh, hey, oh. Shouting at me. I know, I'm only here for the night. Give me a break. I'm gonna crack on with pulling up these vines and then get the foxx1 out. I am going to film that because I have filmed it before, but I didn't really show it very well. So as soon as we're ready to do that, that's what we're going to do, get that set up. I'll bring you back then. Solid little table. Right, let's get on with this foxx1. So guys, this is the outer setup. So how quick and easy that is. Nice bit of ventilation down here. And these just, I don't know if you can see that, they just pop in there when you're doing it. A bit hard to get out, which is what you want anyway, and just pop out like that. So yes, brilliant. Quite a lot of room inside there. But you do need the tarp, unless you want to do all your cooking in there. These do roll up as well. Chuck them up there for now. And we'll get the blow up mattress in the dust pack all set up for tonight. Game roast, bird roast. I think it's got pheasant, quail, and a partridge. No, sorry, pheasant, partridge, and pigeon. Right, let's get it opened. Tell you what, beer o'clock. Yeah. The arm is past the yard arm or something like that. Just while I'm waiting for this to burn down. Unplugged orange pale ale. Beautiful. So we've got just over half an hour till the last night. Right. I need my knife. Brought my iPad with me today for later on. I haven't got the iPad Pro, I've just bought the smaller one. It's got SIM card in it, so I don't have to stream off my phone. Right. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, she's coming along lovely. Right. After a few hours, I think we're ready to get these bad boys on the stove. Right then, the time is, have a look, 9 o'clock. So that's how long we've been cooking this bird for. And the potato. Let's get these two done. Need to get some butter on that. I've got some West Country butter with sea salt. Right guys, well let's give this a bash. That potato is gorgeous. Alright. Right guys, let's go in for the 3-bird roast. That was amazing. Oh my, it's turned out so well. Honestly. What can I say? It's absolutely gorgeous. Not even gamey. Sorry. No, it's not even gamey. It's amazing. I didn't realise you could get such beautiful flavours. Nothing on it. Well, on the outside, but on the inside, no. Nothing on the inside. This bird is so moist. And this jacket potato is something else. It's just beautiful. Gonna finish this, I'll bring you back in a bit. Right guys, that's me off to bed. It's about 12 o'clock now. So I'm gonna get my head down. Rain's on. Well, on and off. Really enjoyed tonight. Beautiful meal. So that's me out of here. Join me in the morning. Good morning people. Well, What a cosy night's sleep. This sleeping bag was amazing. This tent, bit of condensation in it, to be honest with you. I only noticed before though that there's a flap up here, and that was shut last night. You know, to let the moisture out. So, to be fair on it, it's done well. The inner tent, not a dab of condensation on that. But all in all, brilliant. It is cosy, as in no room at all. There's a little bit on the vestibule here. And all my stuff. Yeah, it was alright. Good. Right, time I will. 8 o'clock. Need to get a shifty on. Oh, that was a good night's sleep, that was. Heaven first thing in the morning. So I was supposed to be up and out of here early. I did wake up about 5 o'clock. In fact it was about 5:30 I woke up, and I decided to go back to bed. Because the rain was on quite heavy, and I thought there's no point in packing up in the dark. So yeah, I went back to bed and got my head down. So like I say, I was supposed to be up and out of here early on. Time now 8:20. Probably get home for 9 if I just left now, but I've still got the tent to back up and the tarp, carry it all back over to the container, because I'm going to leave it in the container instead of dragging it all back with me on my push bike. Let's go and see if our food has gone. Well, something has had our food. Right guys, it's me out of here. Time 10 o'clock, so I've got to get going. You can see that's where my fire pit was. That's where I was sleeping. No trace anywhere about. So yeah, that's me out of here. Didn't get a chance to do the steak. We'll do that on the next video. And the kippers and making the bannock, but time just seemed to fly past. I got here a bit late yesterday. If I got here all day we could have got them videos done, but time the 3-bird roast was done it was too dark. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah, follow me on the next one. Cheers.